CGC Technology and Sun Valley Clark Hub Corporation, we have Mr. Sho Trong Ong. Then from the Sun Valley Clark Hub Corporation, we have Miss Cristaline Almario. Then we have their counsel also, Your Honors. We have Attorney Christopher James Parissima, Attorney Victor Fernandez, Attorney Maria Charlene Cadiz, Attorney Jose Carlo Alfonso Abaquita, and Attorney Cherry Del Monte Lim. Then we also have from the Office of the Undersecretary for Civilian Security and Consular Affairs, we have Undersecretary Jesus Domingo. That's all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you. Are there any resource persons who haven't taken their oath in the previous hearing?
Yeah, there's
Please administer it, ComSec. And before ComSec administers the oath, the Chair would like to acknowledge the presence online of Senator Grace Poe. Salamat sa pagdalo, Sen. Grace.
Thank you, Chair Lisa.
Thank you. Please proceed, ComSec.
May I request those who have not taken their oath during the first hearing to please stand up, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. I, please state your name, do solemnly swear that I will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to this committee. Thank you. You may now take your seat.
Thank you, ComSec, at maraming salamat sa ating mga dagdag na resource persons. So at this point, I'd like to acknowledge Sen. Raffy to deliver his opening remarks and also ask his questions. Please proceed.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Mahaba kasi itong prepare nila na opening remarks. Tatablayin ko na muna ito. Diretso na po ako sa questions para makasave tayo ng time. Ang ating Pakulo Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. I will direct my questioning sa anti-cybercrime group ng PNP. Sinong spokesperson dito ngayon, sir? And your
General Ernia.
Police Brigadier General Sidney Hernia, sir.
Brigadier
The Director of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime.
Yes, sir. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Sir, kayo din po yung grupo ninyo, ACG, Anti-Cybercrime, ang nagsagawa ng raid sa Clark na Pogo facility.
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
At kayo din itong nagsagawa ng raid ngayon recently sa Pogo facility dito sa Las Piñas, right? Grupo rin po ninyo, yung sa Las Piñas.
We are part of the operation, sir, but it's not only ACG which is involved or which
Pero
was involved.
sino po ang plano, punta sa korte para mag-request ng search warrant, at sino po yung lead agency sa raid na ito? Kayo po, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that's it. Yes.
Cybercrime
Okay, I'll take that. Yeah.
for the search warrant.
Now, can you tell me the difference between the raid that you conducted doon sa Clark and then sa raid that you conducted sa Las Piñas when it comes to execution? Anong pinagkaiba?
Your Honor, in the operations in Clark, I was directly involved as the ground commander in the operations. In the Las Piñas operations, I am not the ground commander, but it is the regional director of the National Capital Region. The PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group is...
So, ibig sabihin po, General, naghugas kami kayo dito sa Las Piñas. Pero doon sa Clark, dahil maganda yung naging takbo ng raid at pinuri ko kung matatandaan nyo. Ako kasi yung taong na naniniwala na pag merong ginawang kabutihan ng anumang ahensya ng gobyerno, dapat purihin. Give credit where credit... Sir, let me finish. Give credit where credit is due.
Yes.
Kumatiko po kayo.
Thank
Yung
you,
sa
Your Honor.
Clark na raid na ginawa.
Sen. Raffy, madagdag lang. Pinuri ko rin, tulad ni Sen. Raffy, yung decisive raid niyong iyon sa
Exactly.
Las Piñas.
I'm not
Sa
the kind...
Clark, sa Clark.
Right. I'm not the kind of person na kahit na anong gawin nyo, titirahin ko kayo. Damn if you do, damn if you don't. I'm not like that. So kung matatandaan nyo, pinuri ko kayo noon. Pero may problema kayo sa akin sa Las Piñas. Continue, sir. So,
That is one difference, Your Honor. the ground commander is not the ACG
So
director.
in other words, yung sa Las Piñas, you don't take credit for that. Pero yung sa Clark, now you're taking credit for it, right? Is it clear to me? Am I making it clear?
I would say, Your Honor, that the planning was mostly, or should I say, we were involved in almost all the planning.
Pero sino pong pinakamataas sa ACG?
I
Kayo.
am the director of the anti-cybercrime group, Your
Kaya
Honor.
nga po. So in other words, kayo po yung nasa itaas ng ACG.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So in other words, kung command responsibility yung pag-uusapan natin, pag may problema, tatama sa inyo. Kasi
Yes,
kayo
Your
pinaka-head. Okay, good.
That's right, Your Honor.
Alright. Now, doon po sa Clark na raid, meron po kayong ginawang coordination sa Ayakat. Kompleto Ricardo's ika nga. Pero
Yes, Your
bakit
Honor.
po dito sa Las Piñas, kulang po kayo sa coordination? Kumbaga, nagsarili kayo. The Ayakat wasn't informed. In fact, nagtampo ang Ayakat. This is what I got from my source, A1 source. Dahil hindi nyo sila sinama.
May I but in
Bago kayo, General, dagdag dun sa tanong ni Sen. Rafi, kinwote din pati si Secretary of Justice sa media na yun na nga, walang coordination na isinagawa sa Iyakat. Please proceed, General.
Your
And let
Honor,
me
may
continue.
I-
As a matter of fact, dahil dyan, yung Ayakat nagtampo sa inyo at tinamad na tumulong sa
Your
ginagawang
Honor,
investigation.
may I-
Wait,
yes.
finish. And then I'll let you talk, sir. Marami mga lapses dito. In fact, didiretsuhin ko na. Ang nangyari dito, para bang nagkaroon ng bentahan at ang tagal bago po tinawag yung mga agencies na kasama dapat ninyo tulad ng immigration, DSWD, NBI, DOJ. Wala sila doon at the time of the raid. It took you some days before na to coordinate with these agencies that I mentioned. Bakit? Kasi nagkaroon ng tawaran, highest bidder, kung sino mas nakapag-come across na magbigay, yun ay pinapakawalan. And I have a couple of people, and right now, hindi ko pa pwede i-produce, na ayaw pakawalan. Local to. Inihingan ng 200,000. Yung isa, 550,000 para pakawalan. Of course, I'm not gonna mention the name kasi papatayin nyo. Really, wait.
may
No,
I-
wait, let me finish, General, sir, and then I'll let you talk. And then when I say I'll let you talk, please. Yung dalawa, hinold sila. And then, sinabihan para pakawalan ka, ikaw si A, yung si 200, si 500, 550 si B. Ikaw A, mag-produce ka. Pag hindi ka makapag-produce, then dito ka, kakasuhan ka, etc., etc. Nakapag-produce si A, and pati si B. So, 750,000 ang perang napunta doon sa kung sino man yung humingi ng pera from a member of the Ayakat. Now, last, sir. Ang malaking katanungan talaga, bakit kasi walang coordination? Bakit kasi nagsarili kayo? Yes, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead po, General.
Okay. First, Your Honor, regarding coordination, I have to put it in record. There was coordination made. I have to put that in record.
Okay.
In fact, during the operation, few hours after the operations, the members of the IACAT, led by the prosecutor Jonathan Liedo, was with us. I was presiding a meeting. The team of prosecutor Jonathan Liedo was in that meeting. So I think that answers the question that there was no coordination, Your Honor. Secondly, regarding the bentahan or whatever, I have requested the IMEG, I have requested the Internal Affairs Service, I requested the intelligence group for red teaming operations to check all these allegations, Your Honor. As of now, I don't know what happened with their investigation, but I was informed it is ongoing. So I think if there will be people involved, then they should answer for it.
Sen. Rafi, let's just quickly ask you, Secti, paki-confirm po o deny, meron po bang coordination sa IACAT?
Ang salita na ginagamit namin, improper, yung coordination.
Improper.
Yun araw ng implementation ng raid, kinontak si PP Ledo ng 5 p.m. 5 p.m., may search warrant na i-implement nila. Para sa amin, that was last minute and perfunctory collaboration with IACAT. Ang National Task Force headed ni PP Ledo, lagi naman handa tumulong eh. Kaya kahit papano, kahit last minute, kahit na hindi kami involved dun sa secure ng search warrant, nagpadala pa rin ng tao dun sa site. The day after, yun nalaman ko na may search warrant na implementation, kinoordinate namin yung mga different agencies para tumulong.
So last minute na po, sabi nyo kanina.
Last minute perfunctory, Mr.
So
Senator.
that's improper.
That's improper. That's improper for us, especially after Clark.
So,
where-
sir, let me catch you up. So anong dahilan bakit po nagkaroon ng improper coordination? What could be the reason for that?
Hindi ko masagot yan, sir. Baka mas mabuti sila na lang sumagot yan, sir.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Yes, sir.
Sabi pa nga siguro.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So improper coordination. Is it very irregular para sa isang raiding team or the raiding agency to do an improper coordination?
Sir, dati-dati naman mas independent ang mga law enforcement. Pero ang lessons namin from Clark is hindi pwede yung dating gawain na ganun pa rin eh. Kasi after Clark, ang laki ng operation, ang daming foreign nationals, ang daming moving parts, importante talaga yung coordination. Kaya in the aftermath of Clark, just a few weeks after, pinatawag ni Secretary Remulla mismo, lahat ng mga key agencies, kasamang ACG doon. Usapan namin sa DOJ, ang sunod na operation, coordinated. Kaya ganun ang naging reaction ni Secretary eh. Na parang may usapan tayo, mag-coordinate. But again, sir, kami naman, naging mindset namin, move forward na eh. Kung may tampuhan man, papalipasin na namin yun. Yun nangyari naman dito sa operation sa Las Piñas, maliwanag, nag-recommend yung mga fiscal namin ng mga additional evidence na kailangan i-produce ng ACG upang mapatakbo yung kaso, upang magkaroon ng kaso for human trafficking. At nautusan din namin ang National Task Force ni PP Ledo, naging point person namin si Antipolo City Prosecutor Mariel, nandito siya ngayon, at nag-coordinate na si Chief Mariel sa ACG. In fact, alam ko may mga nakalinya pang mga kaso. Kaya para sa akin, move forward na dapat eh.
Okay.
So medyo tong sinabi ni General Ernia na parang inuungkat siya, sabi na kami nagkulang, ayun na namin sana pag-usapan yan.
Yeah, kayo sir, I would understand kung gagamitin mo salita, you have to move forward. Pero kami dito sa Senado, we have to go backwards and forward at the same time para malaman namin yung buong katotohanan.
Yes, sir.
We're here to find the truth para hindi na maulit yung mga kapalpakan na nangyari in the past.
At
Now,
saka, Sen. Rafi, if I could add, kami nga rin dito sa Senado, pagdating po sa human trafficking o sa ikman yan, labor trafficking, of course, gusto namin mag-stand behind lahat ng ating mga law enforcement agencies, PNP, NBI, at lahat. Pero kapag may nakikita kami or naitatanong yung ating mga mamamayan na hindi proper, no, or even sloppy, kailangan namin itanong or i-call out para talagang masugpo na yung problema ng human trafficking. Please proceed, Sen. Rafi.
Madam Chair. Now, Brigadier General Herina,
Yes, sir.
bakit yung immigration was contacted only after a few days? June 27 nangyari yung raid, and then they were contacted after several days. It was on July 1st.
Your Honor, just a background. We keep on coordinating with the focal person of Bureau of Immigration. Even before that, I've been communicating with them that there will be series of operations that ACG will be conducting.
Can you provide some documents or communication?
Your Honor, it's not done formally. And then on the
Sir,
day
kasi
of
madaling
operation-
magsalita, sir eh. Dapat, pag meron kayong talagang communication sa any agency pertaining to a raid or anything like that, dapat it should be in black and white para kung sakaling dumating sa insidente tulad nito, nagka-imbestigahan, meron kang ebidensya na sumulat kami so and so, humingi kami ng coordination,
Your Honor,
sabi kami na magkakaroon kami ng raid. Pero kung salita lang, hindi po.
Your Honor, on the day of the operations, I called the focal person. And he told me to write a letter So I told the focal person, yes, sir, we will write a letter immediately.
Okay.
That was on the day of the operations. The problem was, when we wrote a letter, the signatory is